A Fox 17 update now. The trial for Mathew Mistretta, a former Hartford police officer, is now underway.
In 2021, Mistretta was charged with multiple counts of assault and battery and misconduct in office. Our Yasmin Ludi has a recap from court.
This trial begins almost 3 years after a video on social media shows Mistretta throwing a man to the ground during an arrest. Today, Mistretta and witnesses appeared in court today.
Power comes great responsibility. This case is about a sworn officer of the law, defendant Officer Mistretta, abusing and exceeding the power and responsibility entrusted to him by the people of the state of Michigan when he used excessive force and unreasonable force while conducting a traffic stop and arrest.
On Thursday, Judge Kathleen M. Brickley heard opening statements from State Attorney Alexandria Casperson and defense Mark Curtis.
He protected the community. He did his job. He did not abuse his position of power. He did not abuse his office. He acted like a reasonable officer, detaining a suspect when he had gotten information that that individual was involved in a shooting.
In Attorney Curtis's opening statement Thursday, he told the court that at the time of the arrest, Mistretta was concerned for his safety.
As he approaches, he learns from another officer at a different area that one of the people in the car is suspected to be involved in a shooting. As he approaches the car, there's 2 suspects in the vehicle. That's all the information he has at that point in time.
Today, Lauro Espino, the man Mistretta is accused of using excessive force on during the arrest, took the stand. Espino admitted that before Mistretta stopped him and pulled him out of the car, he was drunk, speeding, and bleeding from his head.
And you're walking back towards that cruiser. You're pushing back into him, aren't you?
At any point did you resist Officer Mistretta?
Espino claims Mistretta pushed him against the hood of the patrol car before tossing him to the ground.
And your testimony is that he then puts his knee into your neck. Where? I want you to show the jury where on your neck his knee was.
Were you saying anything when his knee was on your neck?
Yes, I kept telling him to get off my neck, but I couldn't breathe.
Espino says while he was on the ground, he couldn't see what was going on around him.
Did you hear Officer Mistretta yell any commands to Abraham, the other suspect in the vehicle, in regards to his actions?
Yes, I heard.
According to reports, the passenger had got out of the vehicle, and Espino says they were told to get back in the truck.
When you're upset? Do you know Abraham had a weapon?
No.
Was there a weapon in the vehicle?
Later, Michigan State Police Detective Sergeant Mathew Berry was questioned on his experience with traffic stops and what factors does he consider before using force.
Intoxication level. Are they being physically aggressive toward me? Have they already been physically aggressive toward me? Do I already know them and have never dealt with them before? Or are they total strangers?
Berry's list goes on. However, he did tell the court that traffic stops can be dangerous, and in certain situations, some officers will prioritize their primary safety concerns over policies. The trial will continue on Tuesday. Prosecutors will continue calling their witnesses to the stand. Reporting in Van Buren County, Yasmin Ludi, Fox 17 News.